What is up, guys? It's Jack Attack here. We're back with another video in another card opening video, the same one I did that other video a week ago. And let's go open it up and see who I got. I heard the cards I got were valuable. And see the first card I got. There's no way. I just got Larry Bird. I got Larry Bird. There's no way. And we got Craig Ello. Sorry about that sound, guys. That was just my friend. Brian Shaw. And we got Mark Aguirre. Not Mark McGuire, but Mark Aguirre from the Pistons. I don't know how to say this guy's name. I got Tom Tilbert from the Indiana Pacers. I got Theodore Edwards from the Utah Jazz. I got a Robert Parrish from the Celtics. And Ed Nearly. And a Muggsy Bogues. Even though it says Tyrone. And we got Sam Mitchell from the Timberwolves. Got Craig Kite from the Sacramento Kings. Sorry about that. Got Danny Ferry from the Cleveland Cavaliers. Got Roy Sparrow from the Miami Heat. And Durant Farrell. And guys, I got a rare Larry Bird card. This is going to worth a decent amount of money. Hope you guys like this video. I'll see you in the next video. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And if this video gets 20 likes, I know the other video didn't get 10 likes, but if it gets 20 likes, I'll buy 2 boxes. I'll buy maybe 2 packs of these. See you in the next video.